Hello everyone, today we have an in-depth tutorial on deploying a GCP VM instance, creating an SSH key for secure access, on demonstrating 3 effective methods to connect Putty, mtPutty and mobaxtream. By end of this video, you will have all you need to confidently manage your GCP resources. Let's dive in. First, go to Google and type GCP console login. Then you will reach to this screen. Okay, type your username, and so my username is cloud.chaush@gmail.com. I will type that and click on next. Now type your password. I'll type my password. Click on next. Very simple steps. Everyone know that. Now click on not now, then it will open your Google console, right? Okay, sometime it will take time. Now if you see it's saying some attention. Okay, 5,000 INR payment are being declined, billing administration will be okay. Meanwhile it's nothing. Okay, we'll skip right now. So this is my first project, and from the left side you can search for the services, or from that search bar you can also search the services. So right now we are looking for VM instance. We will deploy one VM instance. So in compute engine you will find that VM instance. From this home burger menu, what you call it, you can also find that. So first we need to enable the compute engine API. Okay, this is the requirement, we have to enable it. But it is very simple. Whenever you click on compute VM instance, so it is not enabled, it will directly show us like it is not enabled, enable that, right? So once it is enabled, so we will go to compute engine. From compute engine we will able to deploy our VM instance. You can pin, unpin, so all the services you will find very quickly and very easily. So it takes some time. This is one time process enabling the API. So after that you don't have to enable any API. First time we have to enable the API. It will take some time, but we will wait for that, because in this video we are going to see so many things like deploying that and connecting with 3 different SSH client, right? Like Putty, mtPutty and mobaxtream. And because in Google we also have to create one key. Okay, I will also open another tab. Let's see. API is enabled. Well, very good. Now we will go to Google Cloud. From here you will see how many credit we have and whatever notification we have. So just try compute engine VM instance. Once you click on that, so here you will see on the top create instance is there, and you will see tutorial. I will close that so we can also watch. So just click on create instance, and we have to follow like our instance name, what region we want, what zone we want to deploy our instance, and what kind of VM machine we want, like C3, E2, N2, whatever. Okay, here you will see what are the description is there, and virtual CPU, memory, platform is there. So whatever the less in size, we are just checking for the testing purpose. So we don't take more memory, more virtual CPUs. Okay, we'll take very common and which is give less amount on a monthly basis. So this is the E2, which saying hourly 0.03 cents, right? Very less. So from here also we can say E2 micro, so it will again decrease the price. If you see on the right side, it will, okay, now it is monthly 7.11 cents. Now everything look good. Here if you want to change your operating system, you can change that. So many options will get. So I'll select CentOS. CentOS 7 is there, 20 GB memory is there. Click on select. So right now we are using CentOS 7 and just click on that. Now after that, this is the one change what we did. Now it is also increase the price. If you see on the right side, so CentOS is not free, it will require some license cost. So just click on create. Now once it is created, so using PuttyGen, we need to create key, SSH key, to log into this instance. From the console we directly able to log into that. If you see, there is a bell icon next to that, you see terminal logo. Okay, it's created, so clicking on that we can go there. Now we have that instance. Now click on edit. Where is the edit button? Okay, just click on that instance one. Now we will see the edit option. Yeah, on the top you will see edit option, SSH and edit. So just click on edit. Right now we don't have any key, so first we have to generate that key or create that key, right? So using PuttyGen, we will achieve that first. Okay, if first add item. Okay, SSH key. If you see SSH key, add item. So from this screen, clicking on that add item button, you can enter your SSH key. So first check PuttyGen. So this is our Putty, we need PuttyGen. So just check PuttyGen here, PuttyGen. Okay, so PuttyGen key generator. So simply we have to just click on generate and move your mouse around, right? Okay, move your mouse around. So once it complete, so in the field where it say key comment, so in the key comment the username or like root or CentOS, Ubuntu, whatever operating system we are using, so we'll select that name. Then we will click on save private key. We will save private key and public key both, or we can copy this key as well. On the end of line you will see CentOS, whatever we return will be there. So save public key, save private key, or you can just copy and paste text in notepad. So first just copy and paste your public key, right? SSH key is required. So first check at the end of line we have the CentOS, right? Select everything, copy it and go back to our VM, or first open the notepad, then paste that, save that file, say CentOS, and save it. So right now we save as a text, so we have that key with us. Now from here we can also save public and private. So just copy, we have already copied, so just paste that public key and click on save. Now we will save private key as well to use in Putty, mtPutty and mobaxtream. Say yes, and give your key name CentOS.ppk. if you see type is already selected, so just close that. So we have both the things. Go to down where we have saved. Okay, CentOS.ppk, we have that key file. Now we will go and open that. Okay, where is I think we don't need right now. Oh, here we have saved that. Okay, completely fine. Now let's go here and we will edit VM instance 1. Okay, completed. Now we will grab our public IP address from here. Go back again. Now if you click on VM instance, okay, so click on that, grab external IP. Internal means internal, external means we can connect from external. So what setting we have to use here? So in the host name type that whatever save session you want to give. So I'm giving GCP underscore server 1. Now go to SSH auth in credential. Earlier it is different, now it is changed little bit. Select your private key and go back to the session, click on save. Now GCP underscore server 1 is there. Now click on open, accept it, login as CentOS, whatever we have used in Putty during creating of that key, right? So we are able to log in successfully to GCP instance. And if you type hostname -f, so or public public private key will see. Okay, first change the appearance. It is little bit small, so change the size to bigger one. Okay, now it is visible. So I think if we go here, we will able to see internal IP. So type hostname -i. Okay, 10.128.02, 10.128.02. Okay, successfully we have connected to Putty to our GCP instance. Now exit from here. Now try mobaxtream, open that, and if you see a little bit, okay, it's also import the session. If you see there, okay, we will also create new folder here, GCP. Now session SSH. Now type your hostname, public IP address or external, specific user, like I will, okay, Ubuntu is there, so CentOS we will use. CentOS will be the username and username is CentOS. Okay, password with key we will select that. So select CentOS. Now we have Ubuntu. Add a advanced SSH setting, use private key and go to that location and use CentOS and click on open. You can also change the icon of that like server. So if I select the earth, green earth, okay, now it will accept that. Okay, in mobaxtream you will see some colors. So we have successfully connected. Now close that as well. Now we will try with mtPutty. mtPutty, you see already it is imported the sessions from there if you want. So input folder name, give GCP. Now add server. In the server name, external IP address, paste that, click on. You can also select this, so we don't have to give public private IP, that key we don't have to. So just click on SSH, port is 22. In the username you will say CentOS, in the password, just let it be, because we are using key. They just double click on that. Okay, so basically it is take input from the putty, so we don't have to give that. It is take. Now close that as well. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon button and share it with your family and friend, so